I'm Stephanie Hart, BrownSugarBakeryChicago.com, and today we're going to make a low sugar cream cheese frosting. This is a great frosting to have when you want to add something sweet without all the extra sugar. You're going to need 8 ounces of reduced fat cream cheese, about a tablespoon of vanilla, and 1 to 2 cups of powdered sugar. You're going to take your cream cheese, add it to your mixer. You're going to blend that until it's nice and fluffy, about 2 to 3 minutes. You're going to add your vanilla, and then slowly add your powdered sugar. Once you've reached a cup, continue to add gently until the frosting is as thick as you'd like. If you'd like to add some variety to this recipe, you can add flavor. A little lemon, a little pineapple will really zip things up. If you'd like to do this with no sugar, simply take a cup of sugar substitute, add in a tablespoon of cornstarch, and now you've got a sugar-free powdered sugar.